Imagine this, the smell of roast turkey filling the air, pies cooling on the counter, and your guests chatting happily while you're calm, collected, and sipping a glass of wine. Yes, Thanksgiving can be stress-free if you have a solid plan, easy recipes, and a few clever tricks up your sleeve. This is your all-in-one guide to serving a feast that wows without wearing you out. Let's start with the star of the show, the turkey. For 8 people, you'll need a 12 to 14 pounds turkey. Rub it generously with a mix of ½ cup softened butter, 2 tablespoons fresh rosemary, 2 tablespoons thyme, 1 tablespoon sage, 1 tablespoon salt, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Roast at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius, for about 3 to 3.5 hours, basting every 45 minutes. Pro tip: dry brine it overnight with salt for extra juicy meat. No Thanksgiving is complete without creamy mashed potatoes. Peel and chop 4 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes for 8 servings. Boil until fork tender, then mash with 1 cup heavy cream, ½ cup butter, 1 teaspoon salt, and ½ a teaspoon garlic powder. For extra flavor, mix in roasted garlic cloves. Stuffing brings the aroma of the holidays to life. Use 1 loaf of day-old bread cut into cubes, 1 cup chopped celery, 1 cup diced onion, 1½ cups chicken broth, ½ cup butter, 1 tablespoon poultry seasoning, and a handful of chopped parsley. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 30 minutes, covered, then uncover for a golden top. For a vibrant side, roast 2 pounds of Brussels sprouts tossed with 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze after cooking. They'll caramelize beautifully and bring a pop of green to your table. Dessert? A classic pumpkin pie for 8. Whisk together 1 can, 15 ounces, pumpkin puree, 1 can, 12 ounces, evaporated milk, 3/4 cup sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, ½ a teaspoon ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon cloves. Pour into an unbaked pie shell and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, for 15 minutes, then lower to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 40 to 50 minutes. Now, for stress-free hosting, prep as much as possible the day before. Chop veggies, set the table, and make desserts ahead. Keep drinks self-serve so guests can help themselves. And remember, perfection isn't the goal, connection is. With these recipes and tips, you'll be able to relax, enjoy, and create memories without spending the whole day in the kitchen. Your guests will feel the love in every bite. So, what's the one Thanksgiving dish you absolutely can't live without? Share it below and let's swap ideas.